Hey, welcome to Howza channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to create a checkmark in Word for macOS. Let's go. Open the Word document you need. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Advanced Symbols. Set the font to Wingdings. Look for the checkmark. Select it and click on Insert. It also has a symbol of a checkmark in a box. If you want to change the size, select the mark and go to the Home tab. Change the size as if it were regular text. Let's do it another way. Click on Word at the top menu bar. Go to Preferences. Click on Ribbon and Toolbar. Check Developer on the right side list. Click on Save. Close the window. Go to the Developer tab. Click on Checkbox. It will paste an empty box. Click on it. Set it to Checked to show the checkmark. Click OK. If you want to uncheck it, click on Uncheck. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!